I've just seen a very impressive display of Belarusian equipment and machinery. And it's my hope that we'll be able to acquire some of these for our farmers. Now, farming and agriculture.
Ebusia ya mama kwa ba eba ends media. Samri se onye subscribe de bomodia se obo subscribe na ori notification bell no so eden ato on be bibia wo bia se the story to mu a on sabeka na bibia etimi akoyie na bomodia se obo share na wa comment e ka chori da se wo comment a wo comment e na be shape ya ma adwuma na etimi aye ni yi ama wo na comment na share na like na bibia etimi nko enkan na yese yen ala yasaseni enye abo ni din ma yen moja ana nananu mu hwegu ye ede to ho ma ye ndi se edru me so me ne wo se ye beje bi ato aso eno nti ana ye president akopie mu ewo Belarus ade ba kwa Belarus nso ye hu ade ye pa ye kuayo se ye nye ekua ye nye farm equipment machines ede ye ekua ne sanyo ma no omu ye ade ho pa nti president Mahama akopie wo ho a okohwe ha wa omu ye eye machines yi ekwan a mofa so ye ekwan a mofa so yusu di ye ekuama Belarus for one of the leading countries production of milk powder ne cheese ne hon kronoma no okohwe na omde okodu ho omde ne ko to awo ye factory manufacturing factory na odinsem bi tuja opa kire say ti say die ohwe asoni dade a ye di ye ekua na etwem we are in the modern world say na na twem machines ne heavy duty equipment and aba ye de ekua a ye man ye faster e ma wetimi ye no in large scale entinu ode to omani se ade a wobohu wo ho no nani age na nani asopa na ohwe se adesua a always anima wobohu wo ho nimu ni wosua no ode ba Ghana ama Ghana so etimi akwanim hwe na ba no ekua yo mu a nti ye koti nsem a okan ye bra ye de ne ko to awo ye factory.
We're working to ensure food security in Ghana. And so we're setting up what we call farmer service centers. And so we're looking to get appropriate agricultural equipment for our centers. And I've just seen a very impressive display of Belarusian equipment and machinery. And it's my hope that we'll be able to acquire some of these for our farmers. Now, farming and agriculture is becoming increasingly mechanized. The hoe and cutlass agriculture is gone. And so we need to provide centers where the farmers can come and get the services of the machines. The farmers don't need to own the machines, but if they need the service of a tractor or a combined harvester, they are able to do it. And what I've seen here is very impressive. These are beautiful machines. We just have to make sure that the sales service is perfect so that the machines can be maintained so that they can stay and work for a long time.
Na anso ho a o almost de ne ko be bia factory a omoye milk powder factory omoye milk powder na cheese na butter be bia omoye sa ne ma no nyina omo de ne ko ho ɛkɔtɔ hɔ nyinaa na tie nea ɔkaeɛ.
Мы в конце нашей, это в 1976 году, продукция, то есть йогурты, молоко, кефир, 153 хозяйства на сегодняшний день. В группе компаний 7 очистки и переработки воды с молока. А здесь логистический центр. Вот.
It's very impressive. Yeah. I was telling the managing director that unfortunately in Ghana we don't have a culture of dairy production. We have small scale cattle farmers who produce fresh milk for the local market. Yeah, but it's not on a very commercial scale. So every milk we consume in Ghana is imported. But the biggest commercial production of milk products is by Nestle. But what they do is they bring the powdered milk and then they reconstitute it into various products. So I'm sure that some of the milk powder comes from Belarus. And like I said, maybe we are drinking Belarus milk without knowing it because Nestle is the biggest producer of milk in Ghana. And like I said, they acquire it in bulk and they bring it to Ghana and reconstitute. Yeah, so it's possible that there's Belarusian milk powder, you know. But I'm happy to hear that the amount of trade is going up. We used to be a major exporter of wood products, timber. But because of the population growth, a lot of the forests have been degraded. Yeah, so I'm not surprised that we're importing some wood products from here. Because Belarus is a very forested country. And that's why they call you the lungs of the world, the lungs of Europe. Ghana is a mining country. We've been mining for hundreds of years. Yeah, we have manganese mines, we have bauxite mines, we have gold mines, and recently we've discovered huge quantities of lithium. Yeah, but the market has been dominated, like you said, by Caterpillar and Komatsu. Recently, China is trying to enter the mining market. Yesterday when I came, I saw the Belarus truck at the exhibition. And so we discussed with Alex if it's possible to send a delegation here. We have a chamber of mines. And so all the mining companies have an association. Yeah, so we can organize and let them come and take a look at the Belarus factory and even go to a mine and see the trucks in action. And then maybe what we can do is we can arrange and bring a number of them to Ghana and let them perform in a mine. Yeah, once the price is right, after sales service is right, yeah, I'm sure they would take to it.